Is my computer not plugged in? It's not. Like, brother, tell me what you want. I'm on the same shit. Alright, we're back. Today's video gonna be a real simple one. Gonna be a nice, quick, and easy. If you're watching this video, you're probably just getting started with day trading, investing in general. But we're gonna be I'm gonna be showing you how to identify what is the trend in the market that you're looking at, basically. So, are basically every trader gotta know what a trend is. There's no trader in the world that doesn't know what a trend is. And if you wanna make money in these markets, you gotta know what a trend is. So trend is, well, for starters, there's three types of trends in the market that matters most. We have uptrend. Well, not three that matters most. It's really two that matters most, but there's three that's mostly talked about. We have an uptrend where it's higher highs and higher lows, and the market is going up. And we have, it's not the right thing right here, a downtrend in the market where the market is going down. Consolidation, where the market is just doing a whole bunch of bullshit. We don't ever want to trade in them type of market conditions because there's no money. I wouldn't say there's no money to be made, but the big money is when we're trading in these conditions right here, when we're in an uptrend and a downtrend. So now we're gonna go to the sticks to show you this in a prime example of how to identify. So what you see commonly in most YouTube videos is how I just showed it: a low, a high, lower high, I'm in a higher low, and then like this next little higher high or a higher low, whatever you want to call it, doesn't really show that because it messes up the flow. Then we get a higher low. I mean a lower high and then a lower low, but then we're still going up. And one thing that I like to do to like what I used to do actually when I didn't know how to really identify a trend was go into the main type of charts, and it really shows you right here what the price is actually doing, what the charts is actually doing. And we can obviously see here that it's going up, which is making this uptrend on the 5 minute. And this where the time frames actually comes into play, because on a lower time frame, you might be seeing that in an uptrend right now if you're trading at these hours. But if you go into an hour, really in a downtrend all the way going down. So that's why you more than likely want to trade with the higher time frame where it's going, because if we're going down, then that's where you want to be going on the lower time frame. You see, we're starting to go up right here on the 5 minute, but on the 1 hour, really going down. But I mean, it is starting to pick up a little bit, starting to go up, but majority of it is going down, and we're gonna most likely just go with it for it to keep going down until we have a sign of some reversals, which could possibly be one zone right here. This could be used as support, but we're not really, seems like it did get a bounce from off of it as well, but we're not really getting into that in this video. But easiest way to identify a trend is literally if the market is going down, you can visually tell it's going down, it's in a downtrend. We can visually tell that it's going up, like right here, we're in an uptrend. Simple as that. You don't really have to do the low, high stuff, because that can get messed up even though we're in an uptrend, but it's making lower low, and you know what I mean. Consolidation is really a weird one. Consolidation, we could use this as an example right here. Now, trend is going down, tilted slightly, but at this, what? The fin fucks. Yeah, I was looking right here though. So price is going down like slightly, but at the same time though, they have big wicks just going up out of nowhere, and that could stop somebody out easily. There's no money to be made in these types of places. So for one example, this right here, you're barely gonna make money in this. This right here, you can call this a downtrend because you can visually tell that it's literally going down. So this would be a downtrend for today. 9 a.m. Price goes up and continue going down to continue doing the down. So stay away from consolidation and just trade uptrends and downtrends, and you're gonna be fine in these markets. But you can't just trade by with what the market is where the market is going. I'm stuttering hella. You also need some type of concepts with it, what's gonna allow you to take an entry, because if you're just following where the price is going, like price is going down right now, and if I just enter the short right here, even though price is going down, price could literally just start going up. So you would need a thing that would help you like pick why you're making this entry, why you're shorting, why you're going long or buying, selling, you know what I mean? You can't just go with where the market is going, but you should use that as some type of system to make your entries with. So market's going down, you obviously want to sell. Market's going up, you obviously want to buy, but there's also chances of reversal, and that's why trading gets deep. But not to make it any more complicated, I'm just gonna end the video right there. As I said, boom, price is obviously going down, downtrend. We could look at this right here. Price is obviously going up, uptrend. Price is going down right here, downtrend. You feel me? Like downtrend, uptrend, consolidation. Don't trade in this period. Price spikes up, boom, another uptrend and goes down, makes a low, boom, makes a higher high. Break this level low, and then we start going down. Consolidation, basically it. Every trader must notice and master this in order to become profitable in trading. But we're just gonna end the video off right there because I'm finna go get some food. I'm not gonna lie, but it's basically it for this video.